In the face of a devastating forest fire situation in a part of Canada, let us come together as one and conquer the challenges that lie before us. In the name of humanity, let's extend a helping hand to those affected and demonstrate the power of unity and compassion. This is a call to action, an opportunity for us to unite and make a difference in the lives of our fellow beings. Together, we can overcome this ordeal and emerge stronger than ever. In times of crisis, it is essential that we stand together and support one another. Every act of kindness matters, and no contribution is too small. Whether it's volunteering your time, donating resources, or offering a comforting shoulder to those affected, your efforts can make a significant impact. Let us remember that we are all part of the same human family, and our unity is our strength. By working hand in hand, we can bring hope, relief, and healing to those who have suffered the destruction caused by the forest fires. Our hearts ache for the precious lives of the animals that have been lost. In their honor, let us take a moment to offer a prayer for their souls. May they find eternal peace and harmony in the vastness of nature's embrace. As we mourn their loss, let their memory ignite within us a deeper commitment to safeguard and protect our planet and its inhabitants. May their sacrifice serve as a reminder of our duty to be responsible custodians of the earth. Midst of chaos and danger, a group of selfless individuals emerges as beacons of hope. The firefighters, their unwavering courage, dedication, and sacrifice in battling the raging inferno deserve our utmost respect and gratitude. These extraordinary heroes put their lives on the line to protect our communities, homes, and wild. Let us come together and send our heartfelt blessings to these brave men and women. Their relentless efforts inspire us to be strong, resilient, and compassionate in the face of adversity. May God bless and protect them in their noble mission.